Let's see what they talking about. BMW street drifting. They're about to be going crazy. This look like a whole, just off the first 7 seconds, it look like a whole type, like a movie or something like that. Production, I can't really tell crazy. Oh no, this hard. Wait, hold up, bro. How they did that? That shit, it looked like a video game, but real life. How they? You gotta put they gas tank in the back. I ain't never see that before. This nigga's gas tank in the trunk. Bro, about to go stupid. I ain't gonna lie, that shit type loud. God damn. And there ain't no cars out. Yeah, you about to go. I ain't gonna, bro. I ain't gonna. I want to learn how to do this shit so bad, bro. It just looks so fire. Like, I ain't gonna lie, that's hard. What's that shit called? The tandem drift or something like that? I ain't gonna lie, the way he hitting the like drifting around the corners though, that shit's smooth for real. This production crazy too. Whoever. Bro, do you need a manual to do all this or something? You could do this on automatic. Oh yeah, we out. We out. Oh, his shit popping. Bro done turned around with it. Nah, that's crazy. I caught myself trying to drift in the wintertime one time, damn near crashed. It was really no like it was no real drift though. It was cause you know how it be slippery when you going around the corner, your car just drift by itself. So I tried to use that to my advantage to drift. ended up sideways, like damn near don't hit the curb. I gotta give me like some cheap shit and just go start practicing doing donuts or something like that. Nah, that production was crazy. That looked like a movie for real. Make sure y'all subscribe.